Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing power and isolating the charger, safety first. Visually inspect the cable ends, plug pins, and the USB-C connector for bent pins, fraying, or corrosion. This tells you whether to replace the cable or disassemble. Once done, set up a clean workspace and get your multimeter and replacement parts within reach. Make sure to note any weird smells or heat marks. Those indicate internal damage. Now test continuity on the cable to confirm where the fault lies before opening anything. You open the charger housing gently to avoid breaking plastic clips. Once inside, examine the PCB. Look for cracked solder joints, bulging capacitors, or a blown input fuse. These are common failure points. Next, use the multimeter to test continuity across the fuse and diode drops on the rectifier, then power briefly to measure output voltage at the USB-C port, only if safe. If you find a cold joint or cracked trace, reflow or bridge it. Replace any bulging caps or failed fuses for reliable. You reassemble the charger, ensuring all screws and clips are seated and that no stray wires touch the PCB. Then perform a final continuity check and power test. Use a dummy load or a low-risk device and confirm stable 5V or 9V output as rated. If the charger still fails, make sure the cable and device port are not the issue by swapping them. If problems persist, intermittent voltage, overheating, or no output, stop and replace the charger or consult a professional to avoid safety hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.